Another variation on the seed stitch is the beaded seed stitch. And to do this, we just come up where we want that first stitch to go. We'll grab the bead we want to use here, slide that onto our needle, get our bead nice and flush with the fabric, and then we go forward like we're making our seed stitch, like so. And then we'll come up where we want that next seed stitch to start. Grab another bead here, slide that onto our needle, get it flush with the fabric, and then go down in the direction of that next seed stitch. And this is a fun way to kind of add beads in various patterns and textures. Let's see here. Without really a specific pattern. Just go back down like so. And that is your beaded seed stitch.